Why am I involved in this? To be honest with you, as a marketer, as a storyteller, the adventure of investing in our own backyard is huge for me. But the biggest thing for me is my wife and I were visiting in 2012 at the Olympics in London and visiting Pinewood Studios for the first time. My wife grabbed my hand. She says, "What an opportunity to have an influence on people. What an opportunity to create an environment, a setting where great stories can be told, where good wins over evil, where good values and noble means and purposes can win out on some of the forces that might tear us apart as a society and a culture." And it's so replicated and so matched up with my life purpose, which is best expressed in the Chick-fil-A corporate purpose, which says that we're here to glorify God by being a faithful steward of all that's entrusted to us and have a positive influence on all that come in contact with Chick-fil-A. That's what's in it for me. If we want to have an influence in culture, we can run from the negative things, and we can sure give a lot of critical words toward the entertainment industry, or we can, with conviction and with passion, run to it and light a candle and let our light so shine. And I choose the latter. I choose to make a difference. And I'm joined with hundreds of other people who are part of this team that wants to make a difference. So you better save this location on your GPS, on your smartphone, because this is just a sampling of more to come.